Hey there, welcome to the 8-Bit Journey channel. Are you ready to learn about colors? Today, we're going to use tractors to show you all the amazing colors of the rainbow. Aqua. Aqua is a refreshing and calm color that reminds you of swimming pools, beach vacations, and cool refreshing drinks. It's a color that can make you feel calm and refreshed. Beige. Beige is a soft, neutral color that makes you think of sand, oatmeal, and cozy blankets. It's a color that can make you feel warm and comfortable. Blue. Blue is a calming and soothing color that reminds you of the sky and the ocean. It's a color that can make you feel relaxed or peaceful. Burnt. Burnt orange is a warm and inviting color that reminds you of autumn leaves, pumpkins, and sunsets. It's a color that can make you feel cozy and comfortable. Coral is a warm and tropical color that makes you think of coral reefs, sunsets, and fruity drinks. It's a color that can make you feel relaxed and cheerful. Subscribe to our channel and become a part of our family. Dark gray is a sad color that makes you think of concrete, stormy skies, and business suits. It's a color that can make you feel powerful and determined. Deep purple is a regal and luxurious color that makes you think of velvet, amethysts, and royalty. It's a color that can make you feel sophisticated and powerful. Forest green is a dark and earthy color that makes you think of forests, hiking, and camping. It's a color that can make you feel grounded and connected to nature. Green is a refreshing color that makes you think of trees, grass, and nature. It's a color that can make you feel calm and relaxed. Hot pink is a bright, bold color that reminds you of neon lights, flamingos, and pop stars. It's a color that can make you feel confident and sassy. Indigo is a deep and mysterious color that reminds you of the night sky, blueberries, and royalty. It's a color that can make you feel imaginative and creative. Lavender is a soft and soothing color that makes you think of lavender fields, baby nurseries, and fairy tales. It's a color that can make you feel peaceful and dreamy. Light gray is an excellent and modern color that reminds you of silver, steel, and technology. It's a color that can make you feel sleek and sophisticated. Lime green is a bright, zesty color that reminds you of limes, kiwis, and fresh spring leaves. It's a color that can make you feel energized and rejuvenated. Magenta is a vibrant and bold color that makes you think of neon lights, lipstick, and superheroes. It's a color that can make you feel powerful and confident. Maroon is a rich and deep color that makes you think of wine, velvet, and luxury. It's a color that can make you feel sophisticated and elegant. Navy is a dark and classic color that makes you think of sailors, night skies, and deep oceans. It's a color that can make you feel strong and determined. Olive green is a muted and natural color that makes you think of olives, army jackets, and hidden animals. It's a color that can make you feel grounded and relaxed. Orange is a warm and energetic color that makes you think of pumpkins, sunsets, and autumn leaves. It's a color that can make you feel excited and enthusiastic. Periwinkle is a soft, dreamy color that reminds you of fairy tales, flowers, and baby blankets. It's a color that can make you feel calm and peaceful. Pink is a sweet and girly color that reminds you of cotton candy, princesses, and bubblegum. It's a color that can make you feel playful and whimsical. Purple is a glorious color that makes you think of royalty, magic, and mystery. It's a color that can make you feel regal and imaginative. Red is a bright and bold color that makes you think of fire trucks, stop signs, and Valentine's Day. It's a color that catches your eye and can make you feel excited or energized. Salmon is a warm and inviting color that reminds you of fresh salmon, sunsets, and summer dresses. It's a color that can make you feel happy and relaxed. Sky blue is a light, airy color that reminds you of fluffy clouds, baby blankets, and peaceful skies. It's a color that can make you feel calm and relaxed. Teal is a unique and stylish color that makes you think of peacock feathers, mermaids, and exotic destinations. It's a color that can make you feel adventurous and daring. Turquoise is a cool and refreshing color that reminds you of tropical oceans, mermaids, and jewels. It's a color that can make you feel relaxed and refreshed. Turquoise blue is a bright and refreshing color that makes you think of tropical waters, summer skies, and exotic birds. It's a color that can make you feel adventurous and carefree. White is a simple, pure color that reminds you of snow, clouds, and cleanliness. It can make you feel calm and peaceful. Yellow is a bright and cheerful color that reminds you of sunshine, flowers, and smiley faces. It's a color that can make you feel happy and optimistic. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks again for your support, and we'll see you in the next one.